I don't know, Uncle Al. I don't think it's on. Hi, Patriot Farms. I guess you want to look at me. I'm Uni. A lot of Republicans are eating rainbow poo right now. We lost 2 states and it's the end of the world. That's what you think, Uncle Al. I agree with Hubble's cat. You've been in the sun too long. Okay. I tend to cough a lot, and I'm getting old and stuff. Favorite toy is a folder with one of these. Liberty Gardens. If you get a chance, send me your email with your address so I can mail you one. It's getting close, kids. Okay, this is a quickie. Not a long one. I'm not going to put too many people on the things, but a lot of people ask, what does Uncle Alan eat? So I do like homemade bread. You see, I toasted it, and it has fine structure. I put cornmeal so it don't stick. I just can't get it into a proper loaf. See how crooked that is? And I do like to eat liverwurst. Lots and lots of liverwurst. And this is liverwurst. Okay, it's hard to get. Only thing I don't have right now, because I'm switching over plants and stuff, I did my sakamori, which is a type of taro root that Japanese people use for making imo. I'm harvesting and drying. I got a big sheet of them, about 7 feet by 9 feet, drying out, and I'm processing. See, peanut butter. Binko brand peanut butter. Yes, Anthony, I know how to make peanut butter, but I'm tired and I got a lot of work on my nephew's farm. It used to be my farm, but now his. And I got my gardens out there to tend. That's one thing I'm not going to show anybody, where my gardens are located and my food storage area. I do have a cook's pantry here. From there, we're going to show you my SHTF pantry. 1, Uncle Alan isn't stupid, and 2, it's like Fight Club. We don't show it and we don't talk about it. And YouTube's an open channel. Now, if they pay me and I teach people, yes, because afterwards, I'm moving it. Okay, peanut butter. Yeah, Trey, I have the same problem. I can't remember. There's a camera. If you looked on my Amazon list, I don't have connections for it, but yeah, it's my wish list. But they have a Canon. I can't remember the name of it. Anyway, peanut butter. Yeah, Uncle Alan, you have nuts right there. Yeah, let's see. Again, liverwurst. I don't know why you people don't like liverwurst. Typical American. You always have devil ham or corned beef or what's the other one? Roast chicken. I don't like those. My favorite is liverwurst, hot sauce, and peanut butter. I don't have red onions today. So we put a couple drops of on liverwurst and peanut butter. Yeah, I'm a good old boy. I do like Tabasco. There you go. Sandwich. Gotta have coffee. Now, liverwurst, peanut butter, and Tabasco. Only things I usually, when I'm hungry, real hungry, I put red onions and sardines in it. Let's see you top that, kids. Bye, Patriot Farms. And I'm glad. Don't forget to shout out the Underground and Chasing Life and SD Mountain Man. Don't forget. I won't. So like Uni said, please check out those channels. And to yes, Patriot Farms, I have a bunch of these. I have about 2 boxes, and they're all razor sharp because I go through them. And sometimes Uncle Alan forgets, and they're in some place, or I really use it, and I forget, and it's or a slice or something like that. So anyway, this is under 6 minutes. Catch you later, kids. Sorry about the shout outs.